Hello sir, good evening.
Yeah, good evening. May I know your good name?
Yes sir, my name is Nirmal.
Yeah, can I have a resume?
Yes sir.
Yeah, okay, Milan. So before moving to the interview, quickly introduce yourself.
Yes sir. Sir, my name is Milan Nandi. I am from Odisha and coming to my education, I have completed my graduation in Uttar University and coming to my hobby, I like to read a book and I like to listen music and coming to my strength, I have never give up easily on my life.
Okay.
Okay.
And what is your technical skills?
I was completed Java and Selenium in the organization.
Okay. You have a manual idea about.
Yes, sir, I am.
Okay. So what is the purpose of testing?
Okay, sir. To find a defect in the development environment and to produce quality software to customer and to reduce failure in market
Okay.
and save money and save time.
Yeah, fine. And if we cannot perform testing, what will happen to the application?
Because testing is a part of efficiency software development life cycle. Without testing, we cannot find defect in environment, development environment. We cannot produce to quality software to customer. Then we cannot provide quality product to software.
Yes, yes. And there is a high chances for failure in a market. So why? Because when we are performing the testing, we can find the defect easily inside the development environment. So then only we can able to give that assurance to the customer. It is a quality product. Okay. So what do you mean about the functional testing?
Validating the client requirement is known as functional testing. We have 9 types of functional testing. First one is smoke testing, second one is positive and negative testing, third one is retesting, fourth one is regression testing, fifth one is database testing, sixth one is sanity testing, seventh one is endpoint testing, and eighth one is hardware testing.
Okay, fine. Yeah, okay. Yeah, fine. That's enough. And actually, I required that. What is the you said that positive and negative testing? So what is the difference between that positive and negative testing?
Positive testing is nothing but checking the valid input was accepted or not is known as positive testing, and checking the invalid input was rejecting or not is known as negative testing.
Okay. And so how can you define the retesting?
After fixed the defect by developer, that the fixed defect is properly fixed or not is known as testing. And it is a time taking process.
Regression is a time taking process. Retesting is not a time taking process. Okay. So when yeah, fine. Who will perform this retesting, tester or developer?
Yes, sir.
Retesting performed by tester or developer?
Testing performed by tester.
Tester. So developer defect fixing, tester will perform. Okay. So can you give the difference between what is the test case and what is the test scenario?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Test cases and basic difference between test cases and test scenario. Test scenario means tester can find the scenario what we need to test, and test cases means tester find what we need to. Sorry, sir.
Yeah, okay, fine. And actually, so the main difference is test scenario is what to test inside the application. Okay, so whole application, what we are picking that the keywords, what we need to test, and the difference is simply what to test is nothing but a test scenario, and how many ways we can test that scenario is known as a test case. Okay, so that is the basic difference you need to see. Yeah, okay. So how you can say the test case is failed? Can I give any example?
Yes.
Okay, so I given there is a login page. I given a valid username. Okay, I given a wanted invalid password. It was successfully opened. I given a valid username and invalid password, but it was opened. Is the defect or it is a quality problem?
It is a defect.
How you said?
When a customer find the defect in market, then we
No,
can
you are going with the failure. So here the exact point is, my expectation is it should be rejected.
Okay.
Why? Because here I given a invalid password, but it was open. So simply what you can say means, when expectation was not matching to the actual. Again you can go through.
When expectation is client requirement is not matched to actual, then there will be tendency rejected.
Yes, fine. So can you name the levels of testing?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what are they?
Here we have two type of testing. First one is manual testing. Second one is automation testing. Manual testing means a test done by human interaction is known as manual testing. And the testing done by using some tools like automation is known as automation testing.
Yeah, okay. So can you give any bug status?
Box status. Box status contains here we have
Yeah, okay, new.
small
Okay,
adding
okay. Deferred. Yeah, okay, fine. And yeah, you said that automation was done by tools. Which tool you know, like for automation? Selenium. Yeah, okay, fine. So are you still you are pursuing with Java, or you have any idea about the Java? Yeah. Yeah, okay. So that's all, Meena. I think I done with my side. You have any queries to ask? Yeah.